October 31st, 2024, 7:06 a.m., heading into Renew Alert. So I was at Offsite a couple days ago, and it's just, the feeling is just remarkable where, I don't know, a lot of people, maybe they miss the business when they sell, and I like, some of the people I miss. Larry fucked up Canon. He forgot to strap in a machine. It was a big one. It dumped over and smashed up two others. So that was a couple, in the last week. So that Canon sent in a $24,000 claim on that one. They forgot to load the equipment in Ontario that was all urgent to deliver Monday. They had to send a box truck on Monday up direct. Got there Monday night. More expense. And then Polo damaged a machine for Sharp that they bought from EBU that they really needed badly for month end, where he cranked it too tight with a ratchet strap and bent the frame, and I don't know, it looks like about $9,000. And then Ray doesn't pay attention and leaves a four-wheeler on the ground in the truck, and it rolls all around while he's driving and smashes up the bottom of a Kia Sarah cabinet that was delivering that day. And so that doesn't even count the dispatch snafus, the people calling out, just, the front reception, the email. They call out, the dispatcher calls out. They always do. It's just a lot. And then everyone else has to do that job. I've got to write the check for that. And that's the hardest, part of the business in hindsight. And that's, I think, was one of the things that was just a vampire to me, where these guys would fuck stuff up left and right, and it was just a check here, writing here, and we're making pennies on a deal, and then just okay, I'm wiping out tens of thousands of dollars in expenses and stupidity, and then there's the fraud, with the credit cards, where they just take money and sneak stuff all the time, and people aren't checking it, and it gets through, and then they get more bold. Or the theft of clocking in, but I'm going to do it 10 minutes outside the office before I get there, and 10 minutes when I get back, and taking just multiple lunches and time off for milking the clocks. It's theft, and they're stealing there. And that's, if that's $1,000 or $2,000 a month, if your payroll's $50,000 or $100,000 a month, that could easily be $3,000. You got to remember, there's payroll taxes on top of that, and workers' comps. When they're fraudulently inflating their hours, that's real. And I don't think Nate's got the taste of it yet, and he's really been detached. Where Rachel talking to Michelle last night, and she's saying that Nate still has Nate's never reached out. She doesn't have Nate's number. He's never made any contact with anybody at the office. She's talked to Kathy, and Kathy doesn't offer a whole lot except for a lot of, oh wow. And so now I'm just driving my own little dumpy warehouse alone, and I'm still trying to work on helping out as much as I can at Offsite, but I've got to learn more and focus more on the Renew Alert side. GoDaddy still has my email hijacked for it's over 2.5 weeks. I'm gonna have to call them first thing this morning and again find out why they can't fix it, and I want my money back, or maybe just release the I don't know. They've made my email for Titan 8 and Renew Alert unusable. All of them. Can't do anything with that domain. So, and they don't know what to do. I'm not even confident they're working on it hard. It's been escalated, and their big thing was, it's not been 10 days. Well, guys, it's 2 weeks now. So if you're hiding behind that one, time to stop. Why don't you just fucking fix it? It's not that hard.